Located in a quiet pocket of Eagle Vale, right opposite Fluorite Park, within walking distance to Eagle Vale Central, Eagle Vale Marketplace, and 3 minutes drive to the M5. Let's take you through. Stunning living area with heaps of natural sunlight, fully tiled throughout, with downlight split aircon, perfect for family living. Stunning kitchen with granite bench top, 6 burner gas cooktop. This will bring out the master chef in you. Sitting on a massive 600 plus square meter block, granny flat potential. This will tick all your boxes.